Hello, and welcome to Dr. Mike's Super Happy Fun Math Hour. Yay! Alright, today we will be solving multiplying matrices. We are solving a 3 by 2 and a 2 by 3. And we know our ending matrix will be the middle, which is 2 by 2. So, how we start is we're going to multiply these by this. So, -1 times 2 is -2. And then we got 2 times 5. So we add to 10. And then 0 times anything is 0. We know that. Alright, so then we're going to move to the second row and multiply it by this same column. And we'll put that under it. So 3 by 2 is 6. -2 times 5 is -10, and then -4 times -1 is 4. So now we go on to the next column. So we do the same rows and then the next column. So we're gonna go -1 times -3 is 3. 2 times 0 is 0, and then 0 times 2 is 0 again, of course. And then so we go into the next row, and then we're going to go 3 times -3 is -9, -2 times 0 is 0, and then -4 and 2 is -8. And now we have to combine all these terms. And then we're going to put it all together in the knowledge corner correct answer. Yay! So it's going to be a 2 by 2. So we're going to add together -2, 10, and 0, which is 8. 3, 0, and 0 is 3. 6 minus 10 is -4 plus 4 is 0. And then -9 plus 0 minus 8 is -17. And then we're going to close that, and that is your knowledge corner correct answer. Alright, and remember, knowledge is power, math is knowledge, spelling isn't. Alright, so I'm going to hand it over now to our favorite Professor, Neil.
Well, thank you, Dr. Mike. With Professor Neil's Math Power Hour, now we have the problem is number 2. And this is the problem. -2 multiplied by the matrix of -4a, 5b, c plus 2, and -6d, subtracted by 2a, 7b, 1/3 c, 8d equals a, b, c, and d. Now, it asks us to solve for c. Step 1. We multiply -2 to all of these numbers over here, and we get scalar multiplication, which is 8a, -10b, -2c minus 4, because we distributed the -2, and 12d, subtracted by 2a, 7b, 1/3 c, 8d equals a, b, c, and d. Step 2. Then, we just subtract across, finding the same values across. So we get 8a subtracted by 2a to get 6a, minus 10b minus 7b to get -17b, minus 2c minus 4 minus 3c to get -2c minus 4 minus 1/3 c, and 12d minus 8d to equal 4d. And that final equals to a, b, c, and d. Now we have to solve for c, so we get -2c minus 4 minus 1/3 c equals to c. But since we have 1/3, we multiply by 3 on both sides to get rid of the denominator, and we get -6c minus 12 minus c equals 3c, because we have to distribute it. Then we combine like terms to get -7c minus 12 equals 3c. Now, we have to bring the c on the other side and the 12 to the other side. So we added 7 to the 3 to get 10c equals -12. After that, we divide by -12 to get c equals -12 over 10. and we simplify that to get C equals to the final answer of negative 6 over 5. So now we get the final answer of A equals negative 6/5, and that is how we do it.
And with that, that's the end of our show. Drugs suck.